Our scuba diver, Vlad Reznov, decided to swim into the premises of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Look, he's already on the floor below, but at one point we became very worried. Somewhere gurgling, I hear. Wait, what happened?
Hey! Hey! Where did he go?
And what happened? Wait, he seems to have surfaced. Now we'll pull him out with something.
Crap!
Oh no!
Guys!
I don't understand. Where are you going?
Where is he?
Where? Probably there. Wait.
Ouch!
What could have happened to him?
Where is he? Guys!
How are we going to get Lat now?
Where is he? We've lost him.
What should we do? Let's break through the ice with a crowbar.
Something is happening to the water.
Bubbling.
But he's not here.
There is air.
And where is he?
What are we to do now?
Gotta dive. We have to dive.
Yes, we will have to dive.
He is here. There you are. And we were worried.
You really scared us.
What happened?
Ugh, it's hardcore. It turned out we were wrong. I could still get through. Well, there goes one more staircase down.
Oh man. The water is very muddy.
Yes, very muddy.
I thought you had already sailed somewhere. Like you're joking. Dosimeter protection is damaged.
Yes, it burst and the dosimeter went out. Oh man. The dosimeter died.
At least you're alive.
What are you talking about?
Now you will fall too.
Give your hand, get out.
What happened to my carbine?
He's alive, guys. He's alive.
Look how red his lip is.
I thought we were all going to jail now.
Sasha, I'm telling you again. The staircase goes down. Here. There are definitely 2 floors down. The first one is below us. The staircase goes there. A corridor. 1 room. The second room. Further, the ladder goes even lower.
This is -3, then -6, so there is also -9 and -12.
Maybe you are right. But it's very cold. I can't feel my fingers.
It's radioactive, don't drink.
Why are you taking it in your mouth? The dosimeter is broken.
Don't take it in your mouth.
I don't do that. Never did. This could be our last video. Because I lost my carbine. I didn't understand how it happened that I lost it.
Are you very cold?
I didn't freeze much, just a little. If I had moved away from the stairs, I would not have got out of there.
Equipment is not removed. Wow, you took it off somehow.
Normal tea, hot.
Hold it, thank you.
You're shaking so much.
Guys, subscribers, we are taking a short break. I urgently need to change clothes. Now I'll change and continue to shoot video. My fingers.
Faster.
I'm worried about that dirt on your feet. Most likely it is very radioactive because even the dosimeter is broken. He does not work. The second dosimeter has already broken today.
We'll have to throw away all the equipment.
Yes, really. What are we going to do with this aqua equipment now? It's radioactive now. The balloon is also contaminated.
Leave it here like everything else. Here's Sue Cap. We left it here. Take even this tube. Everyone laughed, but we didn't take it. Look, and our boat is lying there. Everything will remain here.
Everything is infected.
We lost equipment worth $3,000.
Here it hangs.
Yes.
At least he's alive.
Guys, I want to say, never dive indoors without preparation. This is crazy. Even professionals told us that we shouldn't do that. Never.
What is the preparation here? My carbine unhooked. I lost contact with you and immediately climbed up. Safety is the most important thing.
You've been diving for 7 years now.
I last dived 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
7 years ago.
And we thought you had been diving for 7 years. He told us, let's go, everything will be fine.
I change clothes. Do what you want. I went to change clothes.
Okay.
Come on, help him.
Someone close my scuba gear. Twisted it?
Wait a second. All turned.
What about the dosimeter? I don't understand at all.
What? The protection was torn. Look.
Broken protection?
The condom burst. Look here.
Why such poor quality?
A $200 dosimeter sank. Or maybe that strange hairy animal gnawed a hole.
I don't know what happened to it, guys, but it's soaking wet. This is the end. It won't turn on. It's a pity.
Take it, dry it in rice.
The power plant continues to work, guys. It is written that there is still 32% in the resource, although in essence we have already completed our mission. We are fully charging everything, charging the flashlight, charging the camera. If the light goes out, you can use this as a complete power plant. No loud noises, diesel and petrol generators. Everything works due to the energy that is stored in iron phosphate batteries. Hot tea. It is very strong, but sorry, we have a hard job. We drink strong tea.
In Chernobyl and Pripyat, real stalkers do not drink this.
Want? It's very strong. You'll love it. Come on by the handle. Take the handle.
For what? For a candle?
For a pandal.
Ah.
Oh, it's hot. It's been boiled 3 times.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Why haven't you undressed yet?
I lost my lighter. Take a radiation test on me.
Come on, you got some cheap one.
Yeah, cheap. $100 worth. Point it right at me.
Oh man.
Are you serious?
940, 880. Almost 1,000.
I had more.
Let's measure the background.
It was 1 millisievert.
Indeed, there are more than 1,000.
Come on me.
You're fine.
My suit absorbs radiation. You see, it immediately begins to fall. It already shows in yellow. My water is boiling. I'll change my clothes.
A lot of water got inside the dosimeter. Shake it. It just poured. Yes, it drips.
Guys, we need to write to the manufacturer to make waterproof dosimeters. Really, look.
Water has accumulated, now it does not turn on.
This is radio code 101. This is its only minus.
Overall, it's a great dosimeter.
It was not made for scuba diving.
I can't take the battery out to turn it off, so there's oxidation going on inside.
You already opened it.
By the way, you're right.
But there is a soldered battery.
Exactly, we won't do anything. The battery is soldered. Open it, we can see what's inside. Gently. Slower.
Happened.
The battery jumped out. Great. Everything is wet in there. We disconnected the battery.
It has dust protection.
It won't save him. The water was churned out.
Well, at least we turned off the power to the battery. Let's see.
Here is the power terminal. Oh no, oxidation has appeared.
There is.
Just a little. At home I'll dry it well with a hairdryer. I think it will work.
Radio code 101.
Radio code. Bye. These are good dosimeters. Just don't put them underwater.
Guys, we needed to eat some iodine before this trip. Radiation got into our lungs and into our mouths.
Is everything all right? Why are you all wet?
Soft shell clothing does not get wet.
Have you rinsed out your shampoo yet?
The smell remained. It's not that I'm proud of it, but I'm the first person to dive under the Chernobyl nuclear power plant.
Guys, write in the comments what else we can do. Maybe launch an underwater drone there. Maybe dive in the summer. Maybe swim there in a submarine. I don't know. Every time we can't reach the end. The rooms do not end. There are huge labyrinths. There is a flooded bomb shelter and a tunnel to the 4th power unit.
I found 2 floors.
Tell me what the word comrade means?
Comrade is a friend. Comrade, like-minded person.
Comrade, is it in German?
Yes.
I don't know if the tradition is correct or not, but we understand that people here can die if they get lost. That's why we leave bread. Rose hen chocolate bar, sausage, Russian cheese, and torchin mayonnaise.
This is what we're taking.
That's it, guys. We've cleared the rubbish. Put valuables away until next time. Farewell, nuclear reactor basement. We're on our way to new adventures.
Do you think you'll come back here?
We will definitely come back here, guys. Let's run faster. We still have to go all night. Why did they go there? Ah, I remembered.
Was everything taken away?
Here is our entrance. Hush, hush, hush. You can't make noise. Quiet, quiet. It was the maximum value. It squeaks very loudly. They can light up the whole workshop. We also used this power plant as a lantern. Imagine. Oh man. We go out into the street. Quiet, please.
Radioactive ice. It's dangerous here.
Look.
There were marauders here.
Everything was taken away. Nothing remained.
And it's snowing outside. It's snowing.
Quiet. And why is it staggering?
Make it less bright.
Then give a flashlight, then turn on the flashlight. I'm a candle on the road. Go, mole.
This happens sometimes. In the showdown of stalkers. We went out through some kind of exit. Stupid. I'll tell you how it is.
They always want something from me.
We are now walking in very weak light. Here, by the way, the road is rolled up, security is driving here, and aside the 4th power unit.
Here is the road.
Yes.
There are patrols here, hares, and foxes run.
Let's quickly get out of here, because it's really dangerous here. Let's go.
Car.
And there is the nuclear power plant. I see a red light.
Sasha,
What?
I suggest diving with 2 people next time, because it's safer in tandem.
You're right, we will insure each other. Guys, we need a second scuba, right where you can get it inexpensively.
You can take it inexpensively in the same place where we first took it. Leave 1 flashlight. You are easy to spot.
Okay. When I got home, I didn't wait for the audience's response, so I bought a professional underwater drone. Well, let's start. Crap, what's happening? Therefore, in the next episode, we are going with Super Seuss to explore those same Chernobyl dungeons. That's it, the drone has sunk. I'll connect to it now.